today we have a bad one right here. I have no idea what is in here, guys. So let's open it up. It might be a Mosasaurus or something else. Let's find out. Let's open it. Fishing rod. The fishing rod looks. I have fishes.
Bait.
It's dead. It's dead, Mom.
It's bait.
Yes. This is what I wanted, Mom. This is what I need. Yes. And I also get fishing rod like this. And this is how I wrap it around. The fishes will get them. The fishes will get that.
Yeah.
Look. Oh, what's this? Ugh. What's this? Squishy.
Bait. Imitation bait. It's supposed to mimic the style of bait. Cool, right?
Yeah, there's another one. Ugh, gross. What's this?
Careful, some of these have hooks. That's just it. Nope, that doesn't open.
What's this do?
That's just to show you where your line is.
I understand, but...
Careful, careful.
Ooh, seahorse. One, three. Why are these small?
That's to let you know your line gets snapped. It lets you know that you got something on your line. Can you make the bell go off?
Yes.
When it goes off, you need to that push. Careful, my push. Make it go off. Ding, ding.
Like that? Any fish we cut is any fish we cut. We caught it. Look at this. He's in big trouble. Everything. We took go fishing. Thanks, Uncle Dan. Did you like it?